Hi guys. All right. So it is Tuesday, April 28th. Hope you guys are doing well and Monday wasn't so rough. Um, so I have a few things that I need to go over. I realized yesterday I didn't actually formalize my office hours and the Zoom stuff in a slide yesterday, and so the times weren't clear. So here is the times and the plan for this week. So office hours on Wednesday from 2:30 to 3. That's just for AVID. So jump on, say hi, ask questions. If you want me to go over your work with you, that'd be a good time because I'm going to do the progress checks are due tomorrow, and then I'll be giving feedback on Wednesday to those. So it'd be a great time if you just want me to go over it with you in person, what I'm thinking as I look through your stuff. That'd be a really good time to do that. If you want to schedule a different time that doesn't work for you, just email me, of course, right? And then we are going to do another mandatory Fun Friday activity on Friday from 12 to 12:30. So plan on that one for sure. And then please, I really want cameras on. I want to see your faces. So if you need help changing the background because you don't want your background, whatever you need to help feel more comfortable, let me know. All right. But that is the Zoom meetings for this week. All right. So the things I need to go over today. Agendas. I have really struggled grading agendas this week from last week. So first of all, part of the problem was that I did not make it like an actual assignment on Classroom. So people are emailing me things, sharing things, and it is really difficult for me to find them. And then some of people use one of my old ones, but didn't change the dates. So here's what I'm going to do instead, so that I'm not struggling and not making sure I'm grading what you have done. I did make an assignment for next week, so you should start. Those of you doing it digitally, if you want to use mine, you can. Here's one for this week with the correct dates, and then I will grade this one, right? Some of you have been using your own and whatever, and they look beautiful and you made them digitally. You can erase, just erase out this table. So highlight it and then delete out the table and right down here. So delete table and then put in your own document. But that way, when I go to look to grade them, they're all in one place for me and I'm not having to find every which way. If you are handwriting, a good chunk of you are handwriting using your own agenda, again, it would be easier on me if you just inserted your pictures onto this document. So don't fill anything out. Just instead of emailing me the pictures, put them here. If you need help with this, you don't know how to get the pictures from your phone onto this document, I'd be more than happy to help. I will also let those of you that really struggle, if you need to email it to me, that's fine. I'm willing to work with you. Just know if I make a mistake, that's why. Okay. But I can also go over a Screencastify for this for how to get your pictures here, or I could even do it in Zoom if you want. But this is the one place I want them all to be. That way I don't accidentally miss any of you and not give you the points that you deserve. Okay. But like always, if there is an issue with me grading something wrong, just email me. It does happen. I do make mistakes. All right. So today is our first progress check for our UCSB assignment. Again, at this point today, as of today, what I expect done is that you've gone through the entire virtual tour, not the website, and that you have a good chunk of notes down. You don't have to have any processing. You don't have, if you're starting with just throwing information on the slides, you don't have to have any pictures, any fancy stuff on your slides yet, just some information. Okay. So those should be being shared with me again, shared with me, emailed, if you're taking pictures, whatever, just get it to me. Okay. Also, I will be starting to read through your work today and then and finishing up tomorrow with what's been shared with me for your first progress check. That would be a good thing for us to go over in the Zoom office hours tomorrow, just so that if I have really specific comments or things, I can really quickly pull it up, share with you what I'm thinking, and talk it through. So just an idea for office hours for tomorrow, or if you want to set up an individual one, if you want to ask more questions, okay? Our next progress check is on Friday. So what I want you to start doing now is hopefully you finish the virtual tour, and we're gonna start looking through that website. So let me pull up the assignments. Oh my goodness, here we go. So what I'm talking about, the website, we had the virtual tour, and then we had the website with lots of important information. I thought it gave a lot of information, but short, to the point, and only on specific things. Of course, it's gonna take forever to load. There we go. All right, so kind of some overall things are right here. Look at Ruger. And then you're going to start like looking through this. So if I click on academics now, it's giving me some more academics. It's talking about how many majors and minors there are. Okay, I can go then more specifically into some majors. And this kind of gives you, some of it's going to give you lots of links to other places, but this is a list of a lot of the colleges in them. So one thing that might be new information for you, actually, now that I see this, is that colleges have colleges within themselves. So you'll have the campus, which is the UCSB, but then there's the College of Letters and Science. So like all the sciences, and it looks like some of like the languages and stuff like that are all here. College of Engineering, then there's different kinds of engineering. College of Letters and Science. So didn't we just go over that one? College of Creative Studies. So there's colleges within colleges that then have majors. Don't overthink it. You end up majoring and then you're in that specific college and it never affects you while you're in college. Okay. But those are some things that I want you to start to go through, be adding to your slides or your notes, however you're doing the assignment. By Friday, I kind of assume that we're 2/3 of the way through this project. So pretty much you should have all your information almost done. You might not have it completely done, but you should have most of the information on your notes or your slides. And then if you're doing focus notes, you should start to have some processing of those notes, color code, picture, highlighting, underlining, connecting ideas, right? Those kinds of things. If you're doing slides, I should start to see some pictures, maybe some like a theme, some font, those sorts of things I should start to see. Okay. Hope you guys are doing great, and I will chat with you guys later.